Okay, let's jump right in. Today's deep dive is all about optimizing your brain power. But we're not talking about more studying.
No, not at all. We're looking at something much more interesting.
We're looking at how to use short, strategic bursts of daily physical movement as a tool for learning.
Exactly. Our mission today is to pull out the science-backed secrets for you. How just 15, maybe 20 minutes of activity a day can, drastically improve your memory, your focus, and even your test performance.
And the main finding from the sources is, frankly, pretty stunning. It seems scientists all agree that kids who exercise daily just do better.
They do better on tests, they have better memories, and they can pay attention for longer. It's a clear link.
So let's talk about that minimal time commitment. 15 to 20 minutes. It almost sounds too easy.
It does. But one study had kids walk for just 20 minutes, and afterward, they solved spelling and math problems faster than the kids who just sat quietly.
Faster, just from a walk.
Just from a walk. And the mechanism is, well, it's pretty straightforward. When you move, your heart starts pumping more blood, more oxygen.
And that all goes to your brain.
Right. Think of it like giving your brain a huge gulp of super juice. It just instantly wakes up your thinking, your memory, your focus. It clears the fog.
So that's the immediate payoff. But what about the long term? Is this just a temporary boost, or are we talking about building a better brain over time?
And that is the most fascinating part. Researchers have found that even just 15 minutes of running or walking, it physically builds the parts of the brain that we use for learning.
It physically builds them.
Yes, you're actually making yourself mentally sharper on a structural level. It's not just a quick fix.
Okay, so let's summarize the benefits for everyone listening. First, sharper memory and focus. You'll recall things better and stay on task longer.
Right, and you'll also just have more energy. It fights that afternoon slump, and frankly, it just puts you in a better mood, which also helps with learning.
You get what the sources call brain gains. I love that term.
It's perfect, isn't it? And we see proof of this in the real world. You have programs like the Daily Mile in some schools.
That's the one where they just run for 15 minutes a day.
That's it. It's not competitive. It's just about moving. And the result is kids who are not just fitter, but measurably smarter and quicker at processing information.
So the science is there, the proof is there. The big question is, how do you actually make this a habit? How do you fit this into a day that's already packed?
The trick is to stop thinking of it as exercise. You have to turn it into play.
Make it a game.
Make it a game. For kids, it's easy. Jump rope, play tag, a quick game of hopscotch, or even just a fast bike ride around the block.
The sources even have these fun mini workouts, things anyone can do.
Yes, like stop what you're doing and do 20 jumping jacks. Or just spin in a circle for a minute.
Or pretend to fly like a superhero around the room.
Exactly. Race your sibling across the yard, time yourself, anything to make it fun and not a chore.
So, to really boil it down,
the core conclusion is that this kind of short daily physical activity is pretty much the ultimate science-backed daily brain boost. It's not a nice to have, it's a critical tool for learning.
So that leaves me with a final thought for you. A little experiment to try. We know that 15 to 20 minutes of movement can instantly speed up how fast you solve math and spelling problems.
An immediate, measurable effect.
So what knowledge gains might you unlock if you strategically time your active break right before you tackle the absolute hardest learning challenge of your day?
Say, right before a big coding session or reviewing a complex document.
Exactly. Go move and then go learn.